What's it like to trade and travel the US at the same time? I'm in Nashville. I'm going to update you with some great results that we've had in the last 2 weeks since we've been here. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach video and podcast number 599. I hope you can hear me all right with the background noise here. I'm just off Broadway in Nashville in the US. We've been over here for almost 2 weeks and I've been documenting my trades that I've been taking just once a day for literally 5 minutes. And the market's been fairly quiet both weeks so far since I've been here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But sort of Wednesday into Thursday and Friday especially, it's just really taken off and we've had some excellent trades. So if you did nothing else and just followed the trades that I took last week, and you had a risk of just 0.5% per trade, you'd have made a 4.4% account gain. This week so far, and I'm recording this on Wednesday evening here in the US, and of course we've still got probably the best trading conditions to come for the week so far. We're up 2.5% so far, and that's just trading daily charts. I've taken a 2-hour trade and an 8-hour trade and a 12-hour trade this week, and that's it. So very little actually happening on the charts, but when we've had the trades setting up, we've taken them and they've been incredibly good. And so if you've been following me for some time, you'd know that a number of years ago, I did exactly the same as this on a trip around the UK and Europe with my family. This time, we're here in the US for my wife's 50th birthday, just the two of us having an awesome time. I've done over 2,000 miles so far in 2 weeks, so it's a lot of driving as well. You kind of forget how big this place is. But my point being is that it doesn't matter whether you're traveling around the US or around Europe or traveling anywhere, it doesn't really matter. You could just say, well, I'm going to be at home doing normal things. I could be, doing normal work or family raiding things, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. The point being is that you can trade and do incredibly well with very low risk per trade, low drawdowns on either your own account or if prop firms are your thing, whatever works for you. Your normal life can carry on and you can just trade once a day, follow what we do, get to learn how to do that for yourself. And whether you want to do cool things like this, where the place is buzzing, it's early hours of the evening, it's only 7 o'clock here local time. It's just fantastic to be able to travel around the world, literally spend 30 minutes in a week, tops, absolute tops, and have results like that. 4.4% last week, 2.5% so far this week on closed trades. But, who knows what this week might end up with. But what I'm going to do is keep documenting those trades, keep taking them, and you can follow along. So there's a link that you'll find here where you can look at the videos. I'm making sort of 4, 5, 6 videos a week, depending on what's happening in the market. And you can follow along with those trades and see how they progress and do exactly the same for yourself. So have a look at the link that's on here, and I'll see you this time next week where I'm going to catch up with Paul Tillman for our video and podcast number 600. So once again, this is Andrew Mitchum, off to enjoy the nightlife. I hope you like the shirt, by the way. This is the Beatles shirt. Off to enjoy the nightlife in Nashville with some music and some great barbecue. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.